Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining Mkosi Nophilile. Thank you very much for coming. Ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, share video as well. And mina guys sikhulumeni ngoNotha Baloyi. Ezimbi indaba ke uNotha Baloyi kuthiwa uye waboshwa ke namhlanje eyalaphana ngase Randburg Magistrate Court. Ehambela icala lakhe lela la ka Itumeleng Bokaba, something like that. I think today he was in court. Was supposed to be there, and he was there. Okay, mefika lapho uNotha Baloyi wase I think icala ke leka the RIP case lila postpone ke to next, is it December or something like that. I think it's January 2025 if I didn't lie, but anyways sizofika lapho. uNotha kuthiwa wasebosha ke Mdakabawo wabosheboshela icala liphi laka KO. Remember by the time kudlula uKenan Forbes emhlabeni kwakukuningi abantu besolana ukuthi okay ngubani onesandla kushona ka AKA. There is a time where uNotha then mentioned about KO ukuthi okay they know something about the assassination yaka AKA and don. I think uKO wasevula ke icala, you guys, something like that. uNotha was then asked to stop spreading lies about the involvement yaka KO when it comes to the assassination yaka AKA. uNotha then was asked to stop talking about KO and the involvement yaka KO, just but guy, I think he did not stop. So ke namhlanje uthe maye court ke Notha was arrested. Kune story silapha nakazi moja nizosifunda ngesingisi, but Notha Baloyi to save time for violating his court order. But the controversial music executive uNhlamulo Notha Baloyi could spend Christmas in jail after he was arrested and taken to prison during his court appearance at the Randburg Magistrate Court today for contempt of court. Notha's arrest comes over a year since he was found guilty for violating a court order where he was instructed to refrain from sharing information implicating the musician KO in the assassination of rapper uKenan aka Forbes last year. Now uNotha ke bese court namhlanje where he is facing the RIPE case where he was against him led by the actress. uNotha was a court where he is facing the RIPE charge laid against yena ke by actress thina sizomusho uItumeleng, right? He was found guilty and sentenced last year by the Johannesburg High Court for continuing to implicate KO, whose real name igama lakhe uNtokozo Mdluli, and his road manager ke ongumfabo futhi uSiya Mdluli in the assassination of KO aka. The brothers were in Florida Road. The brothers uSiya Mdluli, who is the other brother Ntokozo Mdluli, they are brothers and they also work together. Babelapha ngase Florida Road in Durban on the day aka abulawa ngalo, right? So uNotha initially ignored the court order and continued to implicate KO in the matter on his social media pages. Not uqhubeke ukukhuluma ngayo ke kuma social media pages wakhe indaba ka KO ebe atshelwa ukuthi stop talking about this, stop implicating ke KO, something like that, but brother didn't stop. Notha ke was found guilty in absentia last year as his family can then committed him to a mental hospital after he made accusations about KO. The musician said previously that he took legal action to defend the reputation yakhe. KO, he had to take illegal action against uNotha to defend the reputation yakhe Mdakabawo. uNotha ke kuthi bekhuluma ngokuthi yena kalisabi ijele phela yena he's been in jail esisho leya weekend. 2 days later ahambala la khona ayi guys kuningi ngoNotha. So talking to Uzimoja before he was booked laphana ngase jele uNotha said he is not scared of prison and he has people who have already promised him security and protection laphana phakathi. How ngobani labo bantu, and in exchange of ntoni booty like bazokuprotect, and then how are you paying? Ekuningi. I've already had my VIP section saved for me. That was uNotha uthi yena he already had VIP section yakhe saved for yena kushuthi unesihlalo esispecial ke lapha ngase jail. Kuthiwa he bragged ke Mdakabawo. Imagine someone bragging ukuthi ume ejele yena uyohlala kahle nabantu abazomprotect. Notha mara wena. uNotha expressed that he will never sit at the same table no KO. What if they will never breathe the same air. kuzima laphana between yena no-KO futhi sephinde wayongena ejele nkosi yami yo he should be killing himself because I'm going to ban him whenever I see him. I'm not scared of ijele ke I was just inside the other day esisho lezi 2 days hey unota uthi yo I was just inside the other day. I have guys inside who promised to I have guys who promised me protection. Unota and KO's beef started 2 years ago after KO released it diss track ngonota and Unota naye was released it diss track back in response. Now icala lakhe lika Itumeleng Bukaba was postponed to the 28th of January. I did say January, right? Ngo 2025 to allow the state prosecutor to consult with the victim. So ke lana ke uboshela elika KO ke mdakaba unota kwathiwa stop talking about KO and implicating him in this KAA matter. But Unota ignored that. He didn't do that. So namhlanje ke maye court ecaleni lakhe no Itumeleng bafike bamthi B bambamba kuNota so kuthiwa uNota uzoba sejele for 60 days. I think ngibonile lapha bekhuluma ukuthi 60 days ithi ngiyeka Sunday World ngibonile ke bashilo ukuthi nje kuzobe 60 days which let me see ayi uNota naye bafethu hayi bathe lapha ka Sunday World popular music executive uNdlamulo Notabalo has been arrested and sentenced to 60 days in jail. So angiqambanga amanga 60 days bafethu. 60 days is 2 months. But ngokucabanga kwami angithi jele bathi usuku is a day. Imini is a day, which means ke uNota ke 60 days wakuzoba ngo30 days is half of that 60. Ngokwazi kwami bafethu ngezwe kuthiwa ke usuku is a day, imini is a day. So mangabe yena ke uboshwe for 60 days in prison uzospend a third. This comes after he was found guilty of being in contempt of court. Order obtained by popular rapper KO to refrain from sharing information implicating him in the assassination of rapper aka Keenan Forbes. The police arrested Unota on Thursday, which is namhlanje, maybe tomorrow for you angazoyibuka nini video, and Thursday at the Randburg Magistrate Court while he was making an appearance for his RAPE matter. Wafika ke bambopha kuNota ayi kuningi ngoNota bafethu I believe ukuthi sedluleko kuningi bakithi inkosi yami make kuphunguke ngoba can see ukuthi ningi ngaye bakithi uNota icala lika KO ngapha icala lika Itumeleng Bukaba uzothi mayiphuma ngale lika KO aficelele ngapha lika Bukaba nalo Jesus Christ weNota. If only you stay away of trouble, my brother, just stay away of inkinga man. Angazi bafethu ilona daba ke ngoNota ngimbone trend akuthiwa ke uboshiwe namhlanje umekade eya ecourt ke ngicala lika Bukaba wafika waboshelani elika KO something like that. Kunzima isho kuvola uka comment section ke ngodaba luka Nota like ivideo subscribe share sibonane njalo kwenye landelayo bye.